Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start the poem Bees. Okay, the poem Bees we have done, but just quickly after some days we are connecting to each other. That's why I just want to revise the poem Bees that I have taught you. We have done question answers also, but quickly we will revise it. The poem Bees. Okay. Question answers also we will revise, and then we will move towards the next topic, Ramanujan. Okay. So the poem Bees. What is the poem Bee? Here, this is the poem written by William Shakespeare, which will give us a vivid description of the life of the bees. Okay. It is the beautiful poem written by William Shakespeare, and it gives us a vivid description of the life of the bees. He shows us how organized and disciplined they are. The poem shows us how bees are very organized, they are very disciplined, how they are. So this is given in the poem. Okay. See, first of all, I'll recite the poem. The bees. So work the honeybees, creatures that by a rule in nature teach. The art of order to a peopled kingdom. They have a king and officers of sorts, where some like magistrates correct at home, others like merchants venture trade abroad, others like soldiers armed in their stains make good upon the summer's velvet bird, which pillage they with merry march bring home to the tent royal of their emperor, who busied in his majesty surveys the singing mansions building roofs of gold. The civil citizens needing up the money, the poor mechanic quarters crowding in their heavy burdens at his narrow gate. The sad-eyed justice with his surely harm delivering over to executors pal, the lazy yawning drone. So some bees are behaving like a magistrate, correct, at home. Others, they were like merchant, they were venture trade, they do doing trade in abroad. Others like they are soldiers, armed in their stings. Okay, so different professions there. So in this poem, the poet William Shakespeare gives a vivid description of the bees and their kingdom. Okay, he calls the honeybees creatures that teach the art of order to human beings. He says the bees have a king and officers for different activities. The magistrate bees do the corrective work. The merchant bees, like traders, go out and collect food. The soldier bees, who are armed with their stings, loot the summer's soft, newly opened flowers and merrily bring home the loot. They take it to the place where the emperor sits. They take it to the place where the emperor sits. The emperor is busy supervising the buzzing mason bees as they are building the golden hive. The civilian bees are converting the nectar into honey, while the potter bees are bringing their heavy burdens of nectar to the king. The sad-eyed judge, buzzing in a bad-tempered manner, hands over the lazy yawning male bee to the light-colored executor bees to carry out the death sentence. So this is the short summary of the poem. because we have done this. Like now question number 1, we have done all this question. Match the pair. See, this match the pair, king, emperor B, mazen B, magister B. So according to their work, what work the following bees do as per the poem, write down in your own words in your notebook. So we have written what a particular bee does. Okay. Now, complete the following, choosing the appropriate options. We have filled these options also. Question number 3, complete the phrases using words of the poem. This question, by using the words of the poem, Mary March. Okay, Mary March. Royal tent, singing mazels, poor quarters, heavy burdens, pale executors. We have done this. Okay, now find any two alliterative lines. So alliterative lines also we have written. Find any two alliterative lines from the poem. Which first line is, which village they with Mary March being home, repetition of the sound, letter am is there. Okay, Mary March, bring home. Mary March, am is repeated. The civil citizen kneading up the honey, repetition of the sound of the letter C, civil citizens. So these are the two examples of the alliterative lines. Now, next question is, pick out the lines that contains onomatopoeic words. Onomatopoeic words means sound words. The singing imagines building roof of gold. The word singing indicates the sound. That's why we have taken this line. The singing masons building roofs of gold. Now, see, pick out 3 lines that carry an image in your mind of bees. Busy at work. So 3 lines we have to pick out and write it down. Make wood upon the summer's velvet birds. The singing mazens building roofs of gold. The civil citizen kneading up the honey. Now, analysis and appreciation of the poem. In analysis and appreciation, what we have to write? Poem, title of the poem, central theme. Okay. All these things we have to include in this poem. Analysis and appreciation, poem and poet's name, then theme and tone. What is the tone of the poem? So the bees is a poem written by William Shakespeare. The theme is the organized, disciplined lives of the bees with death penalty to those who do nothing. जो नहीं करते उनको डेथ सेंटेंस दिया जाता है, डेथ पेनल्टी टू दोज हु डू नथिंग. Tone is very reflective and serious also, shows admiration for the organization of the bees. So this is the tone. So this is about the reflective tone of the poem, and it shows the serious admiration for the organization of the bees. So this is about the poem Beads. Here I have given you all the question answers. I hope you have written. And after that, some project work is there. That is the only discussion part. So we will, it will, yes. So we'll skip that. We'll discuss and we'll stop. Okay. हम डिस्कस करेंगे बस उसको और स्टॉप करेंगे because this is the project work, and project work you have to do in the group, that's why. Okay, now in this poem the alliteration figure of speech is there, so we have written some examples of alliteration also. And yes, rhyming words you have to write down. You can write rhyming words. Okay, so write down the rhyming words, recite the poem. You have to recite the poem also. So this is the quickly revision of the poem Beads. I hope you have written the question answers. Okay. And in the next period, we will going to start the topic Ramanujan. Okay. Ramanujan. This topic will start in the next video. Okay. So here we have done this, the poem Beads. Okay. So video was also there of the question answers, and you have to do it. All the question answers we have written of it. That's why from this you have to write down the all question answers, recite the poem, and remember, write down the rhyming words of the poem. You know that how to write the rhyming words. That's why write rhyming words by your own. Okay. About the poem Bees. So here we will stop. You have to recite the poem and learn the question answers of the poem. Bye.